Early in the morning, before the world fully wakes up, there is a special kind of peace that surrounds nature. The air feels fresher, the sky is softer, and everything seems calm and quiet. On this beautiful morning, my family and I decided to start our journey to the famous Rabi Tower hiking trail in Khor Fakkan. We woke up early, packed some water, light snacks, and our cameras. The excitement of exploring nature together made the morning even more special. Hiking is not only about reaching a destination, it is about the experience, the journey, and the moments shared with the people you love. As we drove toward Khor Fakkan, the mountains slowly appeared in the distance. The sunrise began to paint the sky with soft shades of orange and gold. It was a perfect start to a day filled with adventure and nature.
Hello dear friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Luxcape.
When we reached the straight point of the Rabi Tower trail, the area was peaceful and quiet. Only a few hikers had arrived this early morning. The mountains around us stood tall and strong, creating a dramatic landscape that immediately made us feel connected to nature. The trail begins with a well-paved pathway that gently leads upward through the mountains. This hiking route is known for its beautiful scenery and relatively comfortable path, making it suitable for families and beginners. Before starting the hike, we paused for a moment to admire the view behind us. In the distance, we could already see parts of the coastline and the beautiful town of Khor Fakkan slowly waking up. With smiles and excitement, we began our hike. The first part of the trail was easy and relaxing. The cool morning breeze made walking comfortable, and the quiet surroundings created a peaceful atmosphere. As we walked higher, the views started to become more impressive. The mountains around us looked rugged and powerful, while the sea far away reflected the soft morning sunlight. Hiking in the early morning has a special charm. The air feels cleaner, the temperature is perfect, and the sounds of nature become more noticeable. Sometimes we could hear birds in the distance, and sometimes there was only silence. Working together as a family made the experience even more meaningful. We talked, laughed, and occasionally stopped to take photos of the beautiful scenery. The Al Rabi hiking trail offers incredible views at every turn. As we continued climbing higher, we could see more of the coastline, the mountains, and the winding roads below. Khor Fakkan is known for its beautiful combination of mountains and sea. Few places offer such a unique landscape where rugged mountains meet the clear blue waters of the Gulf of Oman. From the trail, we could see small boats moving slowly across the water. The sunlight sparkled on the sea, creating a magical scene that felt peaceful and calming. Moments like this remind us how beautiful the natural world truly is. One of the best parts of hiking is sharing the journey with family. Every step becomes more enjoyable when you are surrounded by people you love. Sometimes we slow down just to enjoy the view. Other times we laugh together while climbing the slightly steeper parts of the trail. Hiking is not about rushing, it's about enjoying every step, every view, and every moment along the way. We took small breaks to drink water and capture photos of the mountains behind us. The higher we climbed, the more spectacular the view became.
Abel, will you complete the train?
Yes, he will. He will try his best, guys.
You are not confident?
As we moved further along the trail, the landscape opened up even more. From higher points, we could clearly see the beautiful city of Khor Fakkan resting between the mountains and sea. The contrast between the rocky mountains and the bright blue water creates a stunning view that is truly unforgettable. Looking down from the trail, the roads looked tiny and the buildings appeared peaceful in the morning light. Nature has a way of making everything feel calm and balanced.
Photo?
After walking for some time, the trail became slightly steeper, but the path remained well maintained. Many hikers enjoy this trail because it offers a good balance between adventure and accessibility. The cool morning weather helped us continue comfortably without feeling too tired. Along the way, we met a few other hikers who were also enjoying the early morning climb. Everyone seemed happy and excited to experience the beauty of this place. Hiking creates a shared connection between people who appreciate nature.
रुको. Hello?
As we continued the climb, the famous Rabi Tower slowly came into view. Standing proudly on top of the mountain, the tower is an iconic landmark that attracts hikers, visitors from across the UAE. Seeing the tower from a distance gave us extra motivation to keep going. The path gently curved around the mountain, offering new viewpoints at every turn. Each viewpoint felt like a natural balcony overlooking the incredible landscape of Khor Fakkan.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കി മുട്ടയും അവരോട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇവിടെ ബീച്ചൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് കാണും. ഇല്ല, ബീച്ച് വേണ്ട, പാർക്കൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് കാണും. അവിടെ ചില
Finally, after a rewarding hike, we reached the Rabi Tower. Standing at the top, the view was absolutely breathtaking. From this point, we could see the vast sea stretching toward the horizon. The mountains surrounded us in every direction, creating a powerful and beautiful scene. The peaceful atmosphere at the top made the entire journey worthwhile. We took some time to relax, enjoy the fresh air, and capture photos of the stunning panoramic view.
Guys,
താഴോട്ടല്ലേ
നീ ഇറങ്ങുന്നത് വളരെ സൂക്ഷ്മമാണ്. തന്നെ പോ. ആരുടെ അമ്മയൊന്ന് ചെന്ന് വിളിച്ച് നോക്കിയോ? കുറേ നേരം കിടന്നു. എന്താ തൊഴിൽ?
Moments like this remind us why exploring nature is so important. In our busy daily life, we often forget to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. But when you hike through the mountains and witness views like this, everything feels simpler and more peaceful. Sharing this experience with family made it even more special. These are the memories which will stay with us forever. After spending some time at the top, we slowly began our journey back down the trail. The sunlight was now brighter, and more hikers were arriving to enjoy the trail. As we walked down the mountains, we felt grateful for this beautiful morning adventure. The Al Rabi Tower hike is not just a trail, it's an experience filled with nature, peace, and unforgettable views. For families, travelers, and nature lovers, it is truly one of the most beautiful hiking experiences in the UAE. And for us, it was just a perfect morning spent together as a family.